Think how many fidgets I have. So I got a lot. I got some new ones for Christmas. This one, I got a $1 gift card and bought that with the money. This like big bubble ball thing. I got this for Christmas. That's 2. This is like so fun. Like try it. Literally. If you like it, it's cool. And I got this pig. You know, weird and cool at the same time. 1, 3. This is my giant poppet. 4. My other giant poppet. 5. This I've had for a long time, so now it's all broken. 6. This I also bought with my money. 7. This I got at Kim Out Fair in the summertime. 7. Wait, let me just recheck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. Okay. 8. This is not my best one. Toss back up. Like it doesn't stay down. Okay, that's 8. 9. Those don't count. 10 is French fry squishy. 11, also an old one. 12. This is a different one. It's a squeeze-a-mole, so it counts. That's 13. This is my favorite squishy. 14. And there's this other kitty squishy. 15. It's a Nido. 16. This cake. 17. These like magnet rings. 18. This poop that I've had for a long time. So like some of these are broken. So I've had them for a long time. But this one I got from a friend. It's broken. This one, wait, that's 19? Ah, it's a recount. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. This is the other ring, so that doesn't count. This is 30, 31, 32. Well, that's a bit squishy. 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. I think I have some more. Hang on. Okay, never mind. Sorry. So I think that's all. Do I have some mini puppets somewhere? Probably in my school bag. But yeah, that's all. Like for part 2. Bye. Happy New Year's.